Hi there, I'm Tony DeBonis with Starline Windows. I like to demonstrate how to properly remove and reinstall your insect screen on your 6000 series sliding windows. Now this demonstration works for both your horizontal and your vertical sliding window systems. Every insect screen on your sliding window systems come with 2 pull tabs and 2 tension springs. Now the quick and easy way to remove your insect screen is with one hand, grab the pull tab and directly across from that, depress the screen bar while you're pulling. Now, by depressing that screen bar, what that's going to do, it's going to compress the tension spring located on that screen bar. As you can see, the tension springs. Now, a quick and easy way is to put it back in, is to put your tension spring side in first, of course, and that goes into the groove located on your T-bar post of your sliding window system. And again, with your free hand, depress that screen bar while you're pulling the pull tab in. Pull inwards, and that's how you successfully reinstall your insect screen on your sliding window system. For any more how-to demonstrations, frequently asked questions, or product knowledge, please visit or subscribe to our YouTube channel, or visit us or contact us through our website at starlinewindows.com.